हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम सीखेंगे थर्ड अल्फ़ाबेट। ये कर्सिव के कैपिटल लेटर्स होते हैं। ये कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं? वेन एवर वी आर राइटिंग एनी नाउन मीन्स एनी वंस नेम, देन फर्स्ट लेटर वी आर यूजिंग ऑलवेज कैपिटल. In that case we should learn the cursive capital letters. Yes, so let's get started. First of all, A we will practice. You have to look carefully from where we have to start. From this first, second and third line we have to start. Little bit curve we have to make and go upward. Then we will move downwards. From here we have to move again up to middle line we have to go, then go inside, little down and come out. Yes, from third line we have to start. Yes, lower middle line. From lower middle line we have to start and we should go upward up to pink line, then again we will move down, small curve, then up to middle line we have to go inside and out. Look carefully. Many students they are feeling problem in capital cursive letters. Look carefully how I am making. Go downwards, move upward up to middle line only, then go inside, move downward and out. Is it? Again you to see. Yes, first step this, second step this, then from here we will move little bit up to middle line, then we will go inside, down little, and after that we will come out. It is our A, third alphabets A. Yes, now B we will start. B, how we will start? From pink line we should start B. Go downward, move little out and two curves. Yes, single line, slip, standing line, then little move, again we have to move upward, then two curves. Yes, if proper we will start, then you will not get any problem. Yes, this you have to try कि you should not lift your hand again and again, then you will get proper letters. Yes, it is our first step, then it is our second step, then it is our third step of B. Yes, clear? Now we will go for C. From middle line you have to start C, slanting line, move back and curve. From middle line you have to start, slanting line, move little back and C. It is our first step for C. Yes, it is our second step for C. Move up to 3 line. Maximum letters we will make in upper 3 lines. Cursive capital letters, whenever we are writing, our maximum letters we will write in upper 3 lines. Yes, look carefully. Slanting line, we will move back and it is C. Clear? Now D you have to look. Same manner how we have made already B, like that D we will make. One line we have to draw, move a little, here one circle, make curve, and yes, very simple it is. One line we have to draw, go up, out, again in, make a curve, come out, and single line, move a little, yes, it is D, capital D. Yes, all can make it properly. Every day 2 or 3 letter only you have to practice, then you can make very properly all the letters. Now E you have to see. E we will make like a C. Like C we will start. Small line, one curve and two curves. Yes, it is capital E. One curve, two curve. E, one curve, two curve. Yes, 1, 2. It is our first step. Move little, one curve, then it is our second step. Yes, F here to see. Move little bit, from here we have to start, single line and go down. From here we have to draw one slipping line. Yes, some big I am writing because you will look carefully. This, okay, it is F. See how I am starting. From here we have to start, then go down. Yes, only G, J, Y and Z we will write among 4 lines. Other all cursive capital letters we will write among 3 lines. Look carefully how I am writing and learn it very properly. Yes, F. Now G you have to look. G we will start from second line. Yes, one slanting line, move back, make a circle, not circle, it is curve line we have to make, go down. G we will make among all 4 lines. Yes, G we will make in all the 4 lines. From middle line we have to start, one slanting line, move back, go down. Yes, it is our first step. Then after one slanting line up to bottom pink line, then we will go back. It is our G. Hand movement you have to look very carefully how I am making. Yes, got it? G. Keep in mind G we are writing among all the 4 lines. Now H you have to see how we have made F. First structure of H also same. This manner. Then one more line we have to draw. Then like A we moved na, same we have to move inside and out. This structure we have to make first. Yes, then one line we have to draw here, move out, go in and out. Yes. One more line. It is capital H. It is capital H. Got it? First step, this. Second step, one line. Third step, we have to move out, go in, down you have to go, and out. Clear? It is H. Now you have to see I. I, how we will make? One circle you have to draw, then straight line and curve, like 9 we can say. It is I. If proper letters we are making, then our writing will be good. And if we will not learn to write proper letter, then we will collapse our writing. And after that, if we will think, our writing improve, then it is not possible. That's why whenever you are learning letters, you have to pay attention. Properly you have to learn how to make. Circle you made, standing line, then curve. Yes, it is I. Okay. See J. J also we will write among 4 lines. J. Yes. Triangle shape. This. Then straight line. Move. Go upward. Triangle shape. One slanting line, one slipping line, small. Go downward up to pink line and move back. One slanting line, slipping line, straight line, move and out. It is J. Learn carefully, right? See the structure. Now go downwards up to pink line. G and J both we will write among all 4 lines. Yes. Now we will go for K. See the K. How to make K? We have to make like F structure. In F also we made like this. In H also we made like this. K also first we will do this. Then from pink line we have to go up to here and we have to move, and this is our capital K. Yes. See, this is our first step. From here we have to cross this line, little come out, then move up, again down, and K. It is K. I am making simplest letter, yes, because you will learn very properly. Which is first step to make K? This. Yes. Then after, from this pink line, one slanting line we have to make and cross this middle line, and then move upward, then again down. Clear? K. L you have to look. From this second line we have to start L. From second line, one small slanting line we will draw up to pink line. Move back, come down, again out and in. L. What is this? L. Hand movement you have to look please carefully. Yes. up to here you made, then from here move little out, up and in. Yes, look carefully. From second line we will start. We will go up to pink line, move out, straight line, move here little, and this. Got it? Very slowly I am drawing because you will look carefully, then you will learn. Okay, it is L. Now M you have to see first, second and third line. From third line we will go upward, move a little, yes, then one slanting line, go down and up and down. M. Yes, from here we have to start, little curve here. This is also correct. Both the M's are correct. If you will make like this also, then also correct, and if like this, then also it is correct. Both the type you can make M. It is simple. Small curve first we have to make, then go upward up to pink line, then come up to middle line, then up again back, then down. Clear? Now N also simple like M, curve, go upward, then again down, then upward. Very simple. Look carefully. And yes, from third line you have to start. Small curve, go up to pink line, then again come down, then again go up. It is N. It is our N. Can you make properly? Now O you have to see. O, simple circle we have to make. Go inside and out. Circle and out. It is capital O. And a small O, how we are making? Among two lines we are making a small O in this manner. Yes, and it is capital O. One circle you have to make. In, out. Circle, go in, out. P you have to see now how we have made B. In same manner we will make P. One line, straight line you have to draw, make a curve, go back and one circle. In B we have made two curves, and in P we will make single curve. Yes, it is P. Yes, is it simple? Very easy, right? P. Standing line, move a little, go upward and make a curve. Yes. Clear? Now Q, same like O something, make a circle and Q. One circle you have to make, and down you have to make one. Yes, simple it is. Q. R, same like P, we will make R. In P, what you did? From this pink line we have to start one standing line, move a little, one curve and slanting line. Don't lift your hand again and again, then you will get proper shapes. Yes, if we will hold hand again and again while making letter, then your letter will not proper. I made little up due to camera. We should not go out of lines. Now S you have to look. How to make S? One from third line we have to start. Go upward. One slanting line we have to make. Yes, slanting line we made already. Now move out. Yes, now here one curve and that's it. It is our capital S. Yes, capital S. It is our capital S. Look carefully, one slanting line, move out, one curve and that's it. It is S. Now T. T like we have made already F. Same F structure is here. T. Yes, how we have made already F. In same manner we have to make T. Only that in middle line we were writing in F, we are writing here one slipping line. That will not in T. T and F, they are very similar. It is T, T. Yes, whenever you are feeling to make any letter, then you have to look this video, then you will get proper guideline. Now you have to look, curve, go down, move up and that's it. Yes, among three lines we have to write U. Capital U, move a little, then one curve, straight line and down. Once more you have to look, U, yes, got it. Now V, you have to look carefully. From here we will start small curve, slanting line, go upward, then out. It is V. For small kids, mother can learn these all letters and they can teach very easily to their kids. Mother is the best teacher for kids. They can teach very well if little bit guideline they will get from teacher's side. Yes, V. Now W also same like V. We should start from here, move, go upward, again down and upward. This is W. slowly you have to learn, but proper letters you have to learn. It is W. Now X. Curve you to make one more curve. Yes, X is not so difficult. Right curve and left curve. Right and left curve. It is capital X. Now Y we will write among 4 lines like G. Already we have written G in 4 lines. Y also we have to make in 4 lines. Yes. One U shape you have to make here. Then go down up to bottom pink line, move and out. One U you have to make among 2 lines, upper 2 lines. Then straight line you have to draw, full up to pink line. Then move a little out. It is Y. Got it? Now focus on Z. Z you have to look. Z also we will write among 4 lines. From second line we will start. One small slanting line. Then one more slanting line and Z. In this manner also you can draw this and this. This Z is more attractive. Yes, first step, second step and third step. Look carefully. It is first step, second step and third step. If step by step we will teach to our kids, then they will learn very properly these all letters. I hope it is helpful for you. You should learn it and teach to your kids. All the best. Bye bye.